Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video on this course on how to use Amazon Video Direct. Right now I want to show you exactly how you can set up your account. Actually, it's very easy when you already have an account, but even if you already have an account, you will still have to go through this process, okay? Because you will practically be earning money from Amazon, and you have to complete all these forms so you are ready to go. So first of all, you will go to this address right here, videodirect.amazon.com, and then you will have the option there. You will have the option to set up a new account. After you press the option to set up a new account, this is what will appear to you. First of all, you will have an agreement. Let me show you that agreement. So Amazon Video Direct Digital License Agreement. This is the first thing that will pop up on your screen. You have to go and obviously to agree with this, which I already did. So I'll go to the next page, and after that you will have to complete all these forms that are right now on the screen. So first of all, you will have account details, complete your business account. Okay, you have to fill in all these details right here. Then you will have set up payments for your sales. Okay, how you want Amazon to pay you in your bank account, into your PayPal, and so on. And after that, the final thing is that you need to submit your tax information. So it's a form out there that you need to submit for the USA tax department, and practically you have to have all these forms completed so that everything is in order. But that's about it, because right now, if I will go, you will see that if I will go to my profile, just a second, Amazon Video Direct. Okay, I already have a logged in. Okay, Sorin Constantin. Okay, so I already, as you can see, I already have all my account details completed. If I go to my other account, you have all the accounts here. So I have this one. I can create another account, as you have seen how they are created. So this one is my one that it's already completed. So you can see here exactly how it looks like. Okay, you can also have a second administrator, okay, that can manage your account if you want to. Then here is how the payments section looks like. Okay, I have a bank account. Okay, you can add another bank account, so you can choose how you it doesn't matter wherever in the world you are, you can choose how you want to get paid. And then you have your tax information. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and that's about it. Okay guys, so after you complete all this information, all your account details, so even if you have already an Amazon account, or even if you create a new one, you have to go through all this process of completing this information. And after that, you have to have this check here, okay, with complete, and after that you are ready to go. Okay, don't forget that you can create a new business account if you want to. You can have as many as you want to. Now, thank you very much guys for your attention. I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now. Sorry.